Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Nursing Guru channel. Myself, Suraiyya Idrisi. I am already a registered nurse. I am having 4 years plus experience in Dubai. So today I will talk about esthetician or beauty therapist jobs. If you are an esthetician or if you are having diploma in beauty therapy, you can apply for this job. For beauty therapists, you should have 1 year of diploma in cosmetics or in beauty therapy from any national accredited university or institute. So now, how you can apply jobs in Dubai? So for Dubai, you have 3 steps. First of all, you have to write DHA exam. After DHA exam, we will do Dataflow, and after Dataflow, we will provide you eligibility letter. Once you finish these 3 steps, you can easily go for Dubai. Now, if you wanna apply for Sharjah there is a little bit different procedure than Dubai. For Sharjah, first of all, you have to do registration. After registration, you have to do Dataflow. After Dataflow, you have to write MOH exam. Remember, in Dubai, you have to write DHA exam. For Sharjah, you have to write MOH exam. After MOH exam, we will give you eligibility letter and then you can easily go to Sharjah. Now we will talk about Abu Dhabi. In Abu Dhabi, there is HAAD exam, not DHA, not MOH. There is HAAD exam. So for HAAD, first of all, you have to apply for Dataflow. After Dataflow, you have to do registration. After registration, you have to write HAAD exam. Once you pass the HAAD exam, we will give you eligibility letter. That's how you can apply in all UAE. Okay. So Dubai, Abu Dhabi and Sharjah. There are the 3 places you can apply jobs. Now we can talk about experience. So you should have 1 year of experience in the same field if you have. And if you don't have any experience, you cannot apply for this job. So you must have 1 year of experience for esthetician or beauty therapy. So we can talk about salary part. Salary is quite good in Dubai. I mean, if you are from Pakistan, if you are from Bangladesh, India or any other country, there is very less salary. But if you will go to Dubai, Abu Dhabi or Sharjah, you will have a good salary. Like your salary ranges from 7 to 8,000 dirhams for esthetician or beauty therapy. This is the starting salary. Starting. Because for beauty therapists and cosmetics and esthetician, they will have more than 10,000 dirhams you can earn. So I think according to me, you should apply. If you have any questions, any queries, you can contact the Nursing Guru team. We have a consultancy. We are a good agency. You can contact us and we will provide all the details for you. If you have any queries, you can comment on this video also. We will help you and we will start your procedure and we will help you from starting to end. Okay. So just let me know if you have any questions or anything. And one more thing, we have crash courses also. If you are interested, we have 1 week crash courses. So if you want to know how to write the exams, how to pass the exam, so we will guide you in 1 week and we will give you a crash course. After this crash course, you can definitely pass the exam for sure. And if you have any doubts also, you can ask with us during this crash course exam. And after the crash course, I must say this thing that the Nursing Guru team, they have the placement services also. If you are a nurse, if you are esthetician, beauty therapy, pharmacist or any other occupation, we can provide you good jobs also. So after completing your exams or after everything, after your documentation, exams, registration, eligibility letter, you can contact with us for your jobs also. And so we will give you placements as well. So what are you waiting for? You can easily apply and we will help you in that. Thank you so much for watching me. If you have any questions, just comment down. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.